You are welcome to this class and congratulations to you. In this class, I'll be taking you how to set up your PC for the coding class that we are going to be having very soon. Please listen attentively and watch the video again and again if you have any issue as regards the video. Now, the first thing that we ask you to do is to download the 3 apps that will assist you in the journey of this word coding. And the first one is this word Google Chrome. Can you see where I'm pointing my arrow? The second one is what? The Visual Studio Code, which is this one as well, Visual Studio Code, and what? Google Chrome. And the last one is this what? XAMPP. You can see how it looks like. XAMPP control panel. And what is the work of this Chrome? The Chrome is the one that will be displaying the result of the code you have written. The VS Code is where you are going to be writing the code, and the XAMPP control panel will serve as a local server. So you will not need internet, you will not need data, you will not need anything. Anywhere you want to code, you will be coding without what? Internet. So this one will serve as a local server, and that's where we are going to start from. So click by opening it. We can see this is what it will bring, the XAMPP control panel v3.30. that is what you should download. So when you click on what? This Apache, you click on the what? The start. Can you see where my arrow is pointing at? So when you click on start, wait for it for the Apache to change to green. It will change to green. So you can see it has changed to green. So you can just minimize it here. After minimizing it, that is the first thing we are going to do. And after doing that, you now go to my computer. You can see my computer, or you can bring what another name for you if it is not my computer, and you come to this local disk. You can write local disk or this C in your own PC, local disk or ordinary DC. So you click on local disk. After clicking on it, so you now go to this XAMPP. You click on the XAMPP, you double click. After clicking on the XAMPP, you come to this htdocs. You double click as well. You can see these are the projects I've done. So these are the projects I've done. So in your own PC, this place will be what? Will be blank. Nothing will be there. So what you are going to do is now come outside here. You can see where I'm pointing at. Just come outside here and right click. After right clicking, you come down to this new. Why are we doing that? We want to create a folder because all these are folders, and yours is going to be blank because you have not done any project. So I will come to this folder here. I click on the folder. It will bring me what? New folder, asking me to what? To give a name of the folder. So I can just write my name. So my name is Abdurrahman. You can see Abdurrahman. I will click on enter. You can see this is a new folder. So after you have done that, that's when you now come to what? Your VS Code. Please, as I'm taking it step by step, try to follow it like that. That is why I'm not rushing. The first thing we did is to open the XAMPP. On the XAMPP, you come to my computer, click on the local disk or that C. You click on what? The XAMPP. You click on htdoc, and that is where we can see the PC, local disk, XAMPP, and htdoc. That is where it is. Inside the htdoc, you open your folder. So after you have done that, you don't need to don't click on the folder, just come to the VS Code. I've clicked on my VS Code now. So I want to go to that code page to set it up as well. It's loading. Let's wait for it to load. You can see it's coming up gradually. this is the Studio Code, the VS Code. So you can see this is what it will bring to for you. Visual Studio Code, editing Evolve, like that. So this is it. So what is the first thing you are going to do? You just come to this word file. Look at what I'm clicking on up here, file. So when you click on file, it will ask you that what, open file or open folder. You can see it is folder you created in htdoc. So you are coming here to open folder. So after opening folder, it will take you to what, where we have lot of folders, and you check the folder you created, which is Abrahamon. The folder I created is what, Abrahamon. So where is Abrahamon? So you just come to this, scroll down. So you are going to check the what, just come in here to check. This is the local disk. You can see the local disk. You come to what, XAMPP. Have you seen it? So I came to this place to click on the local disk back. After clicking on local disk, I click on XAMPP the way I did it when I wanted to create folder. I click on htdoc, and what, I came here and click on that's my new folder. You can see, and I what, select folder. Select folder. You can see it will change the look of the VS Code. Please take note of what I'm doing. Look at it. It has brought the folder here, Abdurrahman. So what is now the next thing I'm going to do? After bringing Abdurrahman, I will now come to this box here. You can see there's some little icons here. This one is what, new file. This one is saying new file. This one is saying new folder. This one is saying refresh Explorer, collapse folder in Explorer. It is the new file that are going to go. You can see you are going to click what, new file. So, and what is the first thing you are going to be taking in this class as beginner is the what, HTML. So I'm now going to write my name. I'll just write Abdurrahman dot, you can see dot what, HTML. So that is the name of your file. I click on enter. You can see it will bring something like this arrow. Have you seen it? Something like this, less than or greater than. So that means it has seen that it is HTML that is there. Because if you don't put .html there, it will not see it as a what, as a coding file. So it has seen it as a coding file like this. Can you see? As a coding file. So after you have done that, you will now what, on your keyboard you press shift and what, and 1. The shift and 1 is what, representing an what, exclamation what, sign here. You can see. So it brought an option of what, 1, and it brought an option of what, 3. So what are we going to do? We come to this 3 and click on this 3. Let's go back. Exclamation of 1, shift 1. You can see. So let's click on the 1. You can see before I click on the 3, it only brought one single something. So let me go back again. Ctrl Z. So I click on shift 1. It brought me the 1 exclamation and 3 exclamation. It is the one we are going to click on. 1. So you just click on enter. Don't use your mouse to click on it. It is enter you should what, use to click on that what, exclamation mark of 1. You can see it has been painted with blue. So just click on enter. You can see what it brought. All these we are going to explain to you in the class, but if you have gone to this stage, you have what, done 95% of your work. So after doing that, you now what, click. You make sure you can see this is where the arrow is before. You make sure you click inside this body. This is the body. We have one body and another body here. Inside the body, you should what? Click inside. Make sure your arrow is what? Clicking inside this body. I'll just write, I just want to write, this is TAR coding class. You can see this is TAR coding class. I will now save. I will press Ctrl X. I will press Ctrl what? S. That one is very important. Anything you are what? You are working, you are writing a code. If you are through with your code, press Ctrl S to save what you have done. If I write another thing like this, welcome, or I write hello world, hello world, you can see it brought one dot here, meaning that what? The new code you have written, what you have just written, you have not saved it. But immediately you click Ctrl S, you can see it has taken that what? Dot, it has changed it to what? This. So that will affirm that you have really saved. After you have done that, so then we now come to the work of what? Google Chrome. You come to the work of Google Chrome. Google Chrome. So that one is also loading. I've clicked it. So it is the Google Chrome you want to use to display what you have written inside this body. This is TAR coding class hello world. So we want to use the Google Chrome to bring out that result. It's loading. Sorry about that. Now we can see is what is loading. Now this is the new page. You just come to this place. How do you want to display what you have written inside this place, inside this VS Code, this thing? How do we use our Google Chrome to display it? And this is also, we call it web page. That will be be displaying what we have written in the code page. This is what we display it. The first thing we are going to write is what? Make it to be in small letter. Local host. We now write what? Slash. We can say local host. Make sure that is the first thing we are going to write. Local host slash. What is the name of the folder you open? Rahman slash. What is the name of the file you open? The name of the file is also still the same name. Rahman dot what? HTML. So you now click on enter. Click on enter. You can see this is TAR coding class hello world. Have you seen it? So if you have gotten to this stage, you have prepared your PC for the for the coding class. So we meet in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for watching.